wealth, success, abundance, prosperity, recognition. When you put your heart and soul into your projects, these are all things that we want. And they're pretty hard to get. But they're not impossible. And they certainly are a little bit easier with the Wealth Gemstone Collection bag from CosmicCuts.com. Greetings, friends. Michael Parrish here with Cosmic Cuts. Now you might ask me, Michael, how is a bag of rocks going to help me make money? It's a bold claim. But the ancient Chinese, the ancient Romans, all the way up till today, since the beginning of civilization, people have used gemstones for these exact purposes. And the Wealth Healing Gemstone Collection bag from Cosmic Cuts comes with 5 of these gemstones. One of these is Citrine. Citrine not only is the gemstone of wealth, but it's known to attract abundance to you, attract success. It also promotes good luck and good fortune. The merchants in ancient China would use citrine, and they would actually put it in their cash registers, wherever they kept their money. And it was known to magnify the energy of that money and bring more to them. We also got Tiger's Eye. Tiger's Eye is great for all kinds of things. The stone of perseverance, helping you achieve the goals and become the person that you want to be. It also improves your motivation to go out there and get the most out of yourself. It brings inspiration and also promotes inner strength, both of which will certainly come into clutch. We got, Garnet. Not only the gemstone of wealth, but Garnet is the gemstone of health. Promotes and attracts prosperity to you. An amazing gemstone. It also helps your charisma. Helps you connect with other people and connect with the right people. The people that will help you achieve your dreams. Like-minded people. Incredible gemstone. You got Labradorite, which is the gemstone of intuition, which will help you make the right decisions in your business endeavors. It also promotes rational thought and mental clarity. Very, very powerful tool indeed. And last but certainly not least, we have clear quartz, which is going to magnify the effects of all these gemstones. It's also good, it's very versatile and very programmable. So you can program a specific intention with clear quartz, like money, success, prosperity, abundance, wealth. And it will magnify that. We'll also keep your other crystals clean and magnify their energy as well. So you take this wealth bag, you carry it around with you, you keep it wherever you work, you keep it wherever you keep your money. You hold it in your receiving hand. If you're left-handed, your receiving hand is in your right hand. If you're right-handed, your receiving hand is in your left hand. You hold this baby. Breathe in those healing benefits. And breathe out all else that does not serve you. Amazing gemstone collection bag. Let's take a closer look at what comes with this wealth collection when you buy it from CosmicCuts.com. Yes, my friends, wealth awaits. Comes with everything you see here. Comes with this nice bag, this little plastic one, so you can keep them all together, so they can all fulfill their intended purposes. Nice, beautiful citrine, amazing garnet, nice, gorgeous tiger's eye, labradorite. also has a nice little message. It says, we all want abundance, prosperity, wealth, and success. Most of the time, what's standing in the way of these is ourself, which is true. This Healing Gemstone Collection will offer the power you need to make the necessary changes in your life